Most of us would like to succeed in life and in school. A simple agenda or planner can help you in life and in school, and is a habit many successful people practice. I teach school, and at my school, almost all of our top students use a school planner. A planner can help you plan ahead, reflect on the past, and provide action steps for tomorrow. The most simple and basic way to use a planner is to write down upcoming events like tests, birthdays, and sporting events. Even this simple activity will help you succeed by not missing events and will begin to wire your brain to start thinking ahead. However, you can accomplish a lot more with your agenda planner. First, set aside a time each day or evening that you look over your agenda. I recommend that it's the same time each day. For example, I drink coffee, so as I drink coffee, I can look over my agenda. Use colors for different events. Different activities can be different colors. Tests can be one color, birthdays another, important tasks another color. This helps you have a quick scan of upcoming events. Write in positive and meaningful quotes. This can be anything that motivates you or reminds you of who you are and want to be. For example, I have written down, "If you don't ask, you don't get," just to remind myself to ask others. Place these in a section of your agenda that you look at each day. Write a list of reflective questions that you can look over periodically to help give your life direction. Here's an example of some of the reflective questions. What do I need to do today to help me achieve my goals tomorrow? Do I focus on what is important? Do my friends make a positive or negative impact on my life? What is the next step to achieve school or life success? What can I do to improve? What can I learn from my failures? Did I let myself or others down today? Do I dream big or have I settled? How can I add adventure and excitement to my life? A nice mix of questions that reflect on the past, some looking forward, and some questions for today is really helpful. If you'd like to know more about goals and planning, this playlist will help. And as always, thanks for watching, and MooMooMath uploads a new math and science video every day. Please subscribe and share.